Today marks the first day of the 2023 legislative session here in Florida. WUFT's Camila Pereira is live from the state capitol.
Camila, what are some of the things that legislators are hoping to discuss in the next couple of months?
As we heard from Governor DeSantis' State of the State address, multiple proposals are being brought forth, including bills on immigration and abortion. But one thing lawmakers can agree is education reform. Bobby Payne is the Florida representative for District 20, and one of the things he's looking to push for, like his colleagues, is better access to education for families across the state.
You heard the governor today in his comments in the joint session of where Florida stands. We want to continue to make sure that we're number one in all those categories, and education and parental choice for education is certainly at the top of the list.
However, Republican legislators are also working to squeeze in other proposals within the reform, such as limiting teachings of diversity, equity, inclusion, and critical race theory in public schools.
I think we should not limit it to a central point of view. There are several points of view. We need to offer both points of views to our students and allow them to do some critical thinking skills.
Other efforts, such as the possibility of regulating city utility companies like GRU, are also on the table. Florida Senator Keith Perry says he hopes it could help the City Commission reconsider going into heavy debt contracts.
I'm your state senator. I don't know what they're paying. I don't know what they're buying for the energy for. That's not the way government should deal with a big corporation and not let the public know. That's our City Commission.
Representative Hinson says regardless, state government should not meddle in as it is beginning to affect the community.
What is going to happen with GRU if this supermajority decide to move a different way? That's a critical issue for our community because it needs to remain in the hands of the people, even if the people need to do something differently about it.
Representative Hinson says as a superminority, it will be hard to get some of the Democrats' bills heard, especially in regards to gun reform, as Republicans are working to reduce the minimum age to purchase a gun in the state of Florida.
It's hard to put the sense to the fact that we can put an 18-year-old as a soldier in a foreign country, but he can't legally buy a gun.
With it being the first day of the legislative session, legislators are working on getting their bills addressed. So we'll see in the next 60 days what kinds of things will pass. Reporting from the state capitol, Camila Pereira, WUFT News.